ano pa rin naman siya, nasa ano tayo, we're still building our foundation. Every project we're trying to learn something new.
Sa tingin mo ba may kulang ka pa sa ginawa mo?
Never, no one is ever 100% at their best. Laging merong kulang,
Sana.
laging merong pwedeng idagdag, laging merong pwedeng i-improve sa sarili mo. So
You're already good.
salamat po. Pero I want to do even better sa next films. Hopefully.
Showbiz forever kay Paolo.
Sana dumating yung time, kayo ng dad mo, magkasama.
Oo nga po, sa pelikula, no? Parang feeling ko, ano yan, kaabang-abang. Opo, sana. Sana pag nakalabas siya.
One of our best actors talaga.
How about your half-brother, maybe?
Oo,
Kayo naman, oo.
medyo busy
How do
na
you
rin
feel he didn't make it?
as congressman. I feel bad.
Did you campaign?
Yes, tumulong kami kay Marcos sa last week ng elections. We did house to house. Tumulong kami sa mga tao, bigay kami ng mga bigas. So hindi naman ako parang nagalit or nainis. I feel bad because alam ko yung plano sana ng kapatid ko for Camsur and yung plano nila ng mga Villafuerte. Alam kong they have a kind heart. Diba? And my brother is a very God-fearing person. And ako talaga, as much as possible, umiiwas po ako sa politics. Pero nung si Marco nag-aya sa akin, he asked for my help. Ako agad, 100%. I went to Camsur. I will support you 100% kasi kilala kita. And alam ko na nasa tama yung person.
What do you think went wrong?
Sorry, what?
What do you think went wrong with the campaign?
There can be a number of things. Diba, syempre, si Marco naman first time niyang tumakbo. Diba? And he was going up against isang kalaban na matagal nang nandun. Diba? Syempre, ano siya, bago. Pero, ano naman, he's keeping his head up and making sure na alam niya kung saan niya pwedeng, diba, saan siya mag-improve.
So seeing him in politics in the future, sa tingin mo, ikaw
Will
din?
you also plunge into politics someday?
I don't.
For now.
Hindi ko po. Gusto ko pang gumawa ng maraming pelikula.
Ayan, doon ka muna.
3 years pa naman to prepare.
Ilang pelikula lang ba pwedeng gawin ng 3 years? Pero ako ang dami ko pang gustong gawin. Sana mapagbigyan, sana mapagbiyayaan, sana.
So why invite the public? Why should they watch Spring in Prague?
Yes, Spring and Prague, sana abangan natin. Pinaghirapan to ng buong production, pinaghirapan to ng mga artista, ng crew, ng staff. And it has a really wholesome story about, a Filipino and a foreigner, diba, a European. So I think that's something everyone would want to see. Kung paano yung tandem ng Pinoy at the Czech Republic.
So sa ending, sinong nasunod?
Wala.
Bahala kami.
Story
Bahala kami. Kaya nga, bahala tayo.
Paano natin? Bulungan natin si Atoby Part 2.